Welcome to Custodial Custodians Hints, Tips, and Tricks, my window cleaning series. And today I'm going to recommend that if you haven't already started, that you need to start collecting all your clients' email addresses. And what you're going to do with those is that you can use a platform like MailChimp, and you can start getting your email list and email your clients different things, different promotions, thank you cards, stuff like that. And with MailChimp, it makes it a lot easier to start campaigns with all your clients. You can even do autoresponders and things like that. So that way you can go ahead and email your client after you've done a job, have them go and give you a review, send them different deals, so that way you can have them come back and be a repeat client. Hope that helps. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell and tune in for more. If you have any questions, comments, or any ideas for future videos, go ahead and post that in the comments below.